Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply the currency formatting in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document, then from the apply currency formatting. Now select from the step 1. Now keyboard press from the control 1. Now click for the numbering option. Now click for the currency option. Then symbol option. Now click. Then NSS country from the NSS American. The negative number option. That's it's okay. Then you show the apply currency formatting in Microsoft Excel. Now minus, that's it. So again another document, apply from the select from the step 2. Now keyboard press from the control 1, then click for the currency option. Now choose from the dollar, then click for the select the number option. Now click for OK. Then for the minus, that's okay. Then you show the apply currency formatting in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my